Today I'm going to teach you how to make my grandma's candied pears. And I'm ready. I have my red apron, I have my red earrings, and I even have a red bow. I'm ready. If you don't like cinnamon, then you're gonna hate this recipe. So don't make it, you won't like it. It has a really strong cinnamon flavor, but the pears do mellow out the spiciness of the cinnamon. So it's definitely worth a try if you like cinnamon flavored things. Drain your pears, but drain the juice into a saucepan because this is what's going to make our syrup. And next, slice your pears into really thin slices. And next you're going to heat up your pear syrup and add half a cup of red hops. And then you're just going to heat this up until all the red hops are dissolved. Even my nails are red. Almost there. Okay, it's all melted, so I'm just going to pour them over the pears. Oh my. Once your bowl cools off enough, put it in the refrigerator and let it set for 2 hours. If you like a really strong cinnamon flavor, let them set overnight, and the pears are going to turn a super bright red, and they are so good because they're a little bit spicier, but technically they're done in 2 hours. Grandma used to make this for Sunday dinners all the time. Okay, set your syrup aside. And then what I do is I do slice my pears even thinner than what the can slices them. Or you can, oh, these pears are kind of crappy. Look at these pears, they are ugly. That's what you get for buying off-brand.